like a Hellcat.
So let us consider a problem hexagonal based pyramid 25 mm side, 25 mm side and a base and 50 mm axis length, okay, and rest on HP on one of its corner of the base. Draw the projections when the axis of the pyramid is inclined at 40 degrees to HP and appears to be inclined at 45 degrees to vertical plane. Okay, so now how to solve this problem? Yes, the problem will be given hexagonal pyramid. Okay, hexagonal pyramid side 25 mm. You have to side 25 mm and height 50 mm. Height will be 50 mm. Okay, height will be given 50 mm. Side will be given 25 mm. Okay, so now how to construct hexagon? Okay, take radius 25 mm. Whatever the side is given, take radius. Draw the circle. With the center O. Draw the circle. Okay, then join horizontal die of the circle, join the horizontal die of the circle, because it will be resting on corner column. Okay, you have to locate corner on right side. Okay, so now drawn vertical diagonal, then locate this as A D. Take radius, in the compass, take radius 25 mm. Okay, same radius. Cut an arc on this side, with this center, cut left side arc will get F, right side will get B. So then locate A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, and center you are going to join diagonal. Okay, you will get this center O1. And in the pyramid problems, all the pyramid problems, because it will be slant edges, in the slant edges, all slant edges visible, that is O2A visible, O2B visible, O2C visible, O2D visible, O2E visible, O2F. All slant edges will be visible with reduced length. Okay, you have to make dark in all pyramids problem. Once you draw top view, will be resting on HP. Pyramid resting on HP. On the top side, you will get O visible, O1 is not visible, and also A, B, C, D, E, F will be visible. Okay. Once you draw the top view, now we have to produce front view. To produce front view, okay, so you have to locate now what is the height of the pyramid will be given. Axis height will be, here will be given 50 mm. Draw from center. Okay, move towards xy line, then from here measure 5 boxes, that is 50 mm in the scale. Draw the axis line, then extend from all corners. A2 A dash will become D2 D dash will become, from here when you see from front. Okay, B visible, F is not visible, so B dash and F dash shown in close bracket. F dash shown in close bracket is not visible, this will be other end. When you see from front, okay, C visible and E not visible, that here you are shown here C dash and E dash. Okay, then O dash and O1 dash. O dash top side vertex visible, O1 dash is not visible. Okay, once you draw this, locate the points and join the join A2O slant edges and D2O and also B2O and C2O. Okay, join this and produce front view. Once you produce front view, next step, okay, now you have to draw axis will be inclined to HP at 40 degree. Okay, axis of the pyramid inclined to HP at 40. This axis inclination you have to make 45 degree. Okay, so now how to draw this to make 45 degree? Okay, first what you have to do here, you have to find out base side inclination. In all the problem, base side inclination. How to find out base side of the pyramid inclination? Base side inclination goes 90 minus 40. 40 is here inclination to HP. Axis inclination to HP will be 40 degree. Okay, 90 minus 40 you will get 50 degree. Okay, so now this will be your base side inclination. This will be your base side inclination. Take base side inclination. Okay, take base side inclination okay, from locate. Now we are going to tilt the resting on this corner D, okay, pyramid you are going to incline, okay. So to get this 45 degree axis angle you get 45 degree. So what you have to do here, from D to A, that is base side, this base side, okay, take base side line D to A dash, okay, from D to A dash, okay, that will be the inclination, base side inclination will be here 50 mm. Take 50 mm base side inclination, okay, take 50 mm, draw base side inclination with the length of D to A dash, and then locate, okay, center O1 by locate center O1 from measure to D to O1, D to O1 locate center, and also similarly locate D to C dash and D to B dash, okay. Once you locate, construct, and also from center, okay, you have to locate O1 dash. How to locate O1 dash? From D to O dash, okay, measure from here D to O dash, okay, in the compass, okay, from here draw an arc. Similarly, A to O dash is the same distance, from A to O dash take same radius, cut this arc, you will get center O dash. Once you got this, join all the corners by using scale, okay. Once you draw top view, here very important, you have to find out base side inclination. Base side inclination will be equal to this inclination, base side inclination 50 degree will get only when will be 90 minus 40, 90 minus 40, 40 will be axis inclination, okay. Automatically when you make base side inclination 50 degree, okay, axis inclination you will get 40 degree. I have shown here axis inclination 40 degrees, okay. Will be, so once you draw this one, okay, now you have to draw the top view of in this position. How to draw top view? Once you draw to draw top view, okay, first locate from front view, move towards, locate O dash, you will get here, and D dash locate here, because D dash will be center line, and C dash you will get here, E you will get here, and B you will get here. From move downwards, F will here, and A you will get. Locate A, B, C, D, E, F, okay, A, B, C, D, E, F you locate, and locate O dash and also center O1, okay, wherever the points intersect. From here from the previous stop, move towards right side, from third step front view, come downwards, so locate all the points. Once you locate all the points, okay, first you have to identify which one will be invisible edges here. How to identify each one is invisible edges, okay. So here D dash, okay, D dash is resting on XY line, okay, that is on HP, okay. D dash containing two sides, okay, D dash containing two sides is not visible always. When you see from top, okay, observe the which corner, linear corner D dash is touching XY line, resting on HP. D dash containing two sides, that is D2C and D2E is not visible, that containing longer side also not visible, that is D2O, okay. So now DV in the top view, D is here, D point is here, okay. D2C also not visible, make it dotted line, D2E also not visible, and also D2O is also invisible. But here once, okay, you draw this dotted line, you located invisible edges over. Once you draw here, when you observe from top side, okay, here A2O visible, remaining all edges visible except D2O and D containing two sides, D2C and D2E, remaining all edges visible in the top view, okay. In all the problem you can adopt same concept, okay. Now when you see from top, A2O visible, make it dark A2O, that D2O even will be done, that cover up by D2O, okay. And make border line dark always. So you will be next step, you make border line dark, all border lines will be dark, okay. And also B2O and F2O also visible when you see from top side, okay. B2O and F2 also visible, okay. Make it dark. Here how to identify invisible edges when in this condition, when you see from top side, okay, you have to see D dash is resting corner, that containing resting corner will be resting on XY line, this containing two sides, D2C and D2E, and D2 this last slant side D2O, okay, that will be invisible, remaining all edges will be visible, Okay, now this will be once you be construct fourth step. Okay, next step what you have to do here, come to axis. Here what you say that axis of the pyramid inclined to HP at 40 degree and appears to be inclined to VP at 45 degree, appears to be inclined to VP at 40 degree. Okay, so now what you have to do here, draw 45 degree line, draw 45 degree line, draw 45 degree line using protractor, using protractor. Okay, draw 45 degree line. Okay, now you have to locate, because axis appears to be inclined, now be the beta angle be given this column. Appears to be inclined means don't construct beta angle. Take 45 degree line, construct. So now measure O to A, O to A this distance. Okay, O to A, locate O here, O to A distance with the previous top view. Same top view you are going to incline that O to A or O axis line on 45 degree line. So locate O to A and then measure O to D in this distance, O to D, locate O to D, then measure O to O1. This will be center O to O1. Okay, center O to O1. Okay, in this line you got O, D, A and O1. Okay, so how to identify other corners? Okay, take compass from D to E, measure D to E and D to C, it will be same. D to C and D to E will be same. From here draw an arc on left side and right side. Okay, then similarly you can draw other corners. Take A to F and A to F and A to B, A to F and A to B. So take A to F, draw an arc on this side and A to F on this side. Okay, once you locate these two corners, okay, then measure this distance D to F or D to B, D to F, D to F. Okay, with center D, cut this arc B will get and cut this arc will get F. Similarly, from same distance, same radius, take A to cut this arc and cut other side, this arc will get E dash and C dash. Okay, so then join A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, by using arc method you can construct this and also located O dash. And similarly in the top here you have to make here, this will be hidden line. What top you have here, same top you have to construct here. Okay, so here these two, this will be, you have to make it invisible lines. Okay, these two you have to make invisible line. Okay, this will be covered up by A2O. Okay, so now once will be draw top view. Okay, join slant edges, same set top view you are going to draw here, but only the axis line will be inclined to 45 degree. Okay, the base appears to be inclined. Once you draw this, now once fifth step you are drawn top view, so you have to go sixth step, you have to draw produce front view. How to produce front view? Okay, in the top view you have A, B, C, D and O. First you locate O, move to upwards, O will come here, O. Okay, from here O move out right side will be O dash. Okay, to O dash. Similarly D, move upward, D is on XY line. Similarly E comes here, C will comes here and F comes here. Okay, A comes here and B comes here. Okay, locate A, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash and also center locate O1 dash. Once you locate O1 dash and O dash, okay, now you located all the corners. Once you located this, the first step, when you see the object from this side, okay, when you see the object front view, because you have to produce here front view. Okay, all base side edges visible. What you have to do here? All base side edges visible. First you dark all A to B, B to C, C to D, D to E, E to F, F to A. Make base side edges visible in all pyramids problem. Okay, in all pyramids base side edges will be visible. Make it dark. Okay, once you make it dark, okay, then join dark border lines, okay, border lines will be slant edges to dark it, okay, and some of the lines will be once you draw border lines, okay. Next, how you have to identify when you see from this side, how to identify invisible edges here, invisible edges, how to identify invisible edges. To identify invisible edges, simple method, simple concept what you can use here, okay. When you see here AO, A to O visible because the border line, okay. B, when you draw B to O, it crosses base side edges, it crosses base side edges, that's why it is inside. And also C2 also crosses base side edges, is also hidden line, and D2 also crosses inside this base side edges, is also hidden line. This is a simple method. When the line you are drawn to draw slant edges line, it crosses the base side edges, then it will be hidden line, that means invisible line. And this C, see now F2O will be visible because not crossing any base side edges, that will be F2O visible, okay. Here A2O, F2O and E2O visible, other D2O and C2O and B2O is passing through the base side edge, it will be invisible. That means it will be when you see from this side, it will be away from the observer. You can observe B, C and D is away from the observer, not visible to the observer when you see from the front side, okay. Now once you draw, this will be make the dark line, okay, to produce front view, okay. This is how you are going to draw manual construction by using sketch sheet, okay. I have explained here. Try this problem. Thank you.